Hello everyone. Today, in this video we are going to show you the top 10 most expensive motorbikes in the world. Let's start. Number 10. Ducati Testa Stretta NCR Macchia Nera. Starting off the top 10 is the aggressive-looking Testa Stretta NCR Macchia Nera. $225,000 will get you a limited edition, lightweight, 135 kg motorcycle, with a 185 horsepower engine and designed by legendary designer, Aldo Drudi. In comparison to some of the other bikes on our list, it's not as powerful or fast. However, if you're looking for a bike to just add to your collection, then look no further. Number 9. Ducati Desmo Sedici D16RR NCR M16. Next up, we have the $235,000 Ducati Desmo Sedici D16RR NCR M16. This bike is made from titanium, avionic and aluminium and has carbon fiber fenders. The production cost of this bike is only $72,500, but after upgrading, it reaches to a price more than $200,000. The D16RR is powered by a Ducati 989cc V4 Desmodromic engine and produces 200 HP. In case you're wondering, it is road legal and weighs 319 pounds. Number 8. Akasi Founders Edition TXX. The Akasi Founders Edition TXX has a titanium chassis and exhaust and will set you back around $300,000. It is equipped with a powerful 2.4L billet aluminum engine that produces astonishing 225 HP. Aesthetically, the TXX has carbon fiber across the body, helping to keep the weight down, and has a beautifully handcrafted leather seat. This is one of the fastest bikes in the world with a speed of 250 miles per hour. Number 7. Legendary British Vintage Black. The legendary British Vintage Black or Black Lightning was a Vincent HRD motorcycle first ever produced in 1948. It had a limited production run of only 33 bikes, which certainly helps to justify the price. It was produced in the United Kingdom and provides 250cc performance. During its time, it was considered to be the fastest production bike in the world. Number 6. Dodge Tomahawk V10 Superbike. One of the rarest bikes in the world is this crazy futuristic-looking motorbike. The Dodge Tomahawk V10 is one of the world's most expensive motorcycles, costing over $500,000. The bike is equipped with 8.3L V10 engine and 2-speed manual transmission with 500 HP power. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour within 2.6 seconds. Unfortunately, the bike is not road legal, as it is just a concept for now, but who knows, maybe one day we might all be riding around of these sci-fi looking beasts. Number 5. Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship. Kicking off our top 5 and the first motorbike to cost over $1 million, is the Harley-Davidson Cosmic Starship. The bike was hand-painted by world-renowned artist, Jack Armstrong, which is why the hog costs so much, as some of Jack's paintings usually sell at $300,000 to $3 million each. Number 4. The Yamaha BMS Chopper. This beast is not meant for the road by any means, instead, it's a collector's item that's meant to be admired and appreciated for its aesthetics. It has a 1700cc engine, but forget that for now, as the Yamaha BMS is almost entirely coated in 24-karat gold and has a red velvet upholstered seat. Number 3. Akasi ES1 Spirit. The $3.6 million Akasi Spirit is a limited edition titanium motorcycle and the third most expensive motorcycle in the world. Don't let its appearance fool you, as this bike packs enough power to satisfy even the most experienced rider, reaching speeds of 370 kilometers. So, if you do decide you want to buy one, then you first must take a 2-week class at the Akasi headquarters, before they'll let you take it for a ride. Number 2. 1949 E90 AJS Porcupine. Costing a whopping $7 million, you have to be seriously into your bikes to drop that kind of money. Considering that this motorcycle was originally made in 1949 makes it worth studying for any bike designer. The bike isn't too far from modern design standards and is often considered one of the most innovatively designed motorcycles. With only 4 units ever made, it is easy to understand where the price comes from. And that Les Graham had won the World Championship in 1949 on the bike seals it for the AJS Porcupine. Number 1. Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter. The world's most expensive motorbike is the Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Fighter, costing an insane $11 million. Neiman Marcus is an American chain of luxury department stores, so when it decided to unveil a bike for auction, it received a ton of press and the price went through the roof. As a result, the bike started out at auction at $110,000 but eventually sold for $11 million. That's it for today. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.